In this video, you'll learn how to reset a Namecheap password. Whether you've forgotten your login details or just got locked out unexpectedly, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get back into your account quickly and safely. First, you'll need to go to the Namecheap login page. Open your web browser and in the address bar, type in the Namecheap website, then navigate to the page where you normally sign in. This is the same page where you would usually enter your username and password. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're actually on the official Namecheap site, not a lookalike or a cached old page. Checking the address bar before you proceed is a good habit for account security. Once you're on the login page, look just below the sign in button. There you'll see a link that says Forgot Password. This is the link that starts the reset process. Go ahead and click on Forgot Password. You don't need to try random passwords first. Using this link is the safest and quickest way to regain access. After you click that link, you'll be taken to a recovery page where Namecheap asks you to provide one piece of information to locate your account. You only need one of the following: your Namecheap username, the email address associated with your account, or any domain name that's currently registered in that account. If you remember your username, that's usually the simplest option. Carefully type it in, making sure there are no extra spaces. If you're not sure about your username, you can use the email address that you used when you created your Namecheap account. This is often the same email where you receive order confirmations or renewal notices. Type that email in exactly, double checking for typos. If you don't remember either of those, you can use a domain name that you know is registered in that account. For example, if you bought a domain for your website through Namecheap, enter that domain name in full, including the extension such as example.com. This gives Namecheap another way to find the right account. Take a moment to confirm that whatever you've entered is correct. Little mistakes like a missing letter or an extra character can prevent Namecheap from finding your account, so it's worth checking before you move on. When you're confident the information is accurate, click the Reset Password button. This tells Namecheap to start the password recovery process based on the detail you just provided. At this point, Namecheap will usually send further instructions to the email address associated with your account, so keep an eye on your inbox and also your spam or junk folder in case the message lands there by mistake. Follow the instructions in that email to complete the reset and choose a new, strong password. Once you've finished, return to the Namecheap login page and sign in with your updated password. That's all there is to it. By going to the login page, clicking Forgot Password, entering your username, email, or a domain name, and then clicking Reset Password, you can quickly regain access to your Namecheap account whenever you need to.